welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's sure to heat things up. How to make her addicted to you with the right positions and words. Yep, you heard me right. If you're ready to step up your game and take things to a whole new level of intimacy, stick around, because it's not just about what you do, but also what you say that can make all the difference in the bedroom. By the end of this video, you'll have the keys to make her crave more of you. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. 1. The power of words, before and during intimacy. Before we jump into positions, let's talk about the power of words. The truth is, you can completely change the mood and heighten the intensity just by what you say. And here's the kicker. This starts before you even make it to the bedroom. Sending a text in the middle of the day, telling her you can't stop thinking about her, or whispering something sweet and seductive in her ear when you're close can build anticipation like nothing else. Women, especially, respond to verbal connection. It doesn't have to be graphic. Actually, sometimes it's better if it's subtle. Something like, "I can't wait to feel your skin against mine," or "I love the way you look at me." This builds intimacy and shows that you're fully present and focused on her. And when you're in the moment, phrases like, "I love how you feel," or "I can't get enough of you," can send shivers down her spine. It's all about making her feel desired, valued, and connected. Trust me, a few well-placed words can make everything more intense. 2. The positions that bring her closer. Alright, now let's get into the positions that will make her want more. But remember, it's not just about showing off moves, it's about connection, being in sync, and reading her body language. Let's start with a position that's perfect for that. Position 1. The slow grind, modified missionary. The first one is the slow grind, which is basically a modified missionary. And don't underestimate it. When done right, this can be incredibly intimate and addictive for her. In this position, you're facing each other, which already creates a deep connection because you can look into each other's eyes, kiss, and stay fully engaged. Here's the key. Focus on slow, rhythmic movements rather than going fast. The slower, the better. With every movement, let her feel the full weight of your body. But don't just thrust, grind your hips slowly against her. This lets you stimulate her more directly, while also maintaining that skin-to-skin connection. It's sensual, and it's all about building that tension. Combine this with words like, "I love the way you feel underneath me," or "You drive me crazy," and watch her get hooked. Position 2. The sidewinder, spooning variation. Next up, we have the sidewinder. This is a spooning variation that not only keeps things intimate, but allows for incredible access to all of her sensitive spots. In this position, you're both lying on your sides, facing the same direction, with you behind her. It's perfect for those moments when you want to be close, but also control the pace. What's great about this position is that it's easy to whisper in her ear, touch her body, and keep things intimate. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Slow your movements down and mix in light kisses along her neck or back. And ask for what to say. Something like, "I love how close we are right now." Or even something as simple as, "I can't get enough of you," will keep her fully in the moment. Trust me, it's the combination of the physical and the verbal that creates an experience she won't be able to forget. 3. Verbal seduction during intimacy. Now let's talk about verbal seduction during intimacy. Just as much as the positions matter, what you say in the heat of the moment can take things to another level. The key is to be authentic. She'll know if you're saying things just because you think you should. When you're with her, don't be afraid to tell her what you're feeling. A simple, "I can't believe how incredible you feel," or "You drive me absolutely wild," can make her feel irresistible. And it's not just about compliments. Ask her how she feels. Something like, "Does that feel good?" Or "Tell me what you want." Opens up the dialogue and makes her feel like an active participant. It's all about keeping that connection strong throughout. 4. The emotional connection. One of the most important things to remember is that physical connection goes hand in hand with emotional connection. If you want her to become addicted to you, it's not just about the moves or the words. It's about how you make her feel emotionally. When she feels safe, seen, and cherished, she's going to open up to you on a deeper level. And this isn't something you can fake. It's about truly being present with her, showing her that you care about her experience just as much as your own, whether it's holding her after, talking with her, or just being attentive to her needs during intimacy. It's those little moments that build trust and keep her coming back for more. 5. Slow and sensual, the ultimate key. Here's the ultimate takeaway. When it comes to making her addicted to you, it's not about being the most physically aggressive or trying to rush things. It's about being slow, sensual, and intentional in both your actions and your words. Take your time. Let her feel every touch, every kiss, every word. The combination of slow, thoughtful movements and authentic, seductive words will leave a lasting impression. She'll feel connected to you on a deeper level, both physically and emotionally. So there you have it. Those are the positions and words that'll keep her coming back for more. But remember, at the heart of it all is connection, both physical and emotional. When you combine the right moves with the right words, and most importantly, with genuine care, you'll create something unforgettable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below if you've got any tips or questions. And remember, great intimacy isn't just about what you do, but how you make her feel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.